Welcome to Sphero, a game for training your speed and endurance. The goal of Sphero is to continue as far as possible without being destroyed by a wall of blocks. Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. You control the up and down position of the yellow player ball. When you bend up, the ball will move up. When you flex down, the ball will move down. Press Next. You start with 50 health, as you can see with the number on the yellow player ball. Whenever you run into a wall block, it starts taking life away from both you and the block, until one of you reaches 0 and gets destroyed. Press Next. There will also be health pickups periodically that you can run into to increase how much health you have. Press Next. Keep your eye out for the special 50 health walls. They're hard to destroy, but if you break through one you'll go into a special superpower mode for a short time, where you will be invincible and gain triple the points. Press Next. You'll get points every time that you collect a health pickup or destroy a wall, but if you get destroyed it's game over, and you'll have to reload and try for a new high score. Good luck, I know you're a true Sphero.